Hello, my name is Joseph Lancaster. I'm a 20-year-old junior at the University of South Florida studying economics. In this Tableau project, I will analyze the sales transactions for an insurance company in the United States by formatting and filtering data and then creating charts and tables to better show the differences in each state. In the first requirement, requirement 2AB, I created a graph to show the total sales of insurance by state. The state with the highest sales is New Jersey, with a total dollar amount of $1,145,344.72 and the state with the lowest is Massachusetts, with a total dollar amount of $802,000 and 239.42 cents. For the next requirement, requirement 2C, you can see on the screenshots of the graph all the average sales of insurance for each state. The state with the highest average policy amount is New York with $828.11, and the state with the lowest average policy amount is Connecticut with $630.46. In requirement 2D, you can see the screenshots of the graph. It shows the number of sales made in each state. There were no states that did not meet the $800,000 minimum sales level. They all sold over $800,000 worth of insurance policies. In requirement 3, you can see the total insurance policy sales by region of the United States. The region with the highest number of sales is the Northeast with a total dollar amount of $9,776,084.26, with the region with the lowest sales is New England with a total dollar amount of $5,071,485.66. Requirement 4 shows a graph with the leading salespeople for each region, and requirement 5 shows the total dollar amount of each type of insurance sold, which is shown on the graph below. Requirement 6 shows a map of the United States that shows the total sales for each state. For this map, you can see which regions and which states have made more or less sales overall. The darker the colors are on the map, the more sales a state made. Analyzing all the information I've gathered, I've created these preceding requirements. Now, the trends that I've seen so far are that in states in the Northeast, they have a higher level of sales and have generated the most amount of revenue aside from other lower level states. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my Tableau project.